our Japanese food kitchen. Today, we are gonna miso soup. This recipe for this cooking is very simple, but it's delicious. Miso soup represents one of Mama's recipes. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Put in a pan and put on the fire without lid. 20 minutes on low heat. Add bonito flakes to boiling water, about 2 minutes. In a medium saucepan, bring the fish stock to a boil. Add dashi, brown seaweed, and tofu. Simmer for about 1 minute. Blend miso into soup in the lid before adding. Add into bowls, serve immediately. いただきます。It's really common to use dashi for many Japanese cuisine, like miso soup, rolled omelette, fried vegetables, takoyaki, stewed dishes, and so on. If I don't have dashi, it's really difficult to make real Japanese food. Dashi is a traditional Japanese seasoning, which is made from bonito or kombu kelp. Miso soup is rich in nutrients. Miso soup's main ingredient, miso, is a traditional Japanese seasoning produced by fermenting rice, barley, and soybeans with salt and the fungus kojikin. It was an important salt supplement and protein source in times when the Japanese don't eat that much meat. Also, eating miso soup is good for relaxing your bowel movements because of the inflammation. Miso soup varies from region to region and even from family to family, so that people call each family's miso soup Mother's special recipe. Let's take a look at the basic ingredients and way of making one particular variation of miso soup. Point: boiling various vegetables, tofu, and other ingredients to a boil in fish stock. After turning off the stove, you added the miso paste. できた。いただきます。味噌汁。美味しいね。美味しい。美味しいね。おかわりする？おかわりする？おかわりする？待っててね、じゃあおかわりする。待っててね。はい、お待たせ。どうぞ。ねえ、美味しくできてるね。おとちゃんね、上手ね。Home style cooking from a cozy kitchen by a Japanese living in Japan. I'd like to share my recipes and Japanese culture with the world. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. See you. またね。再见。